Hello, hi, Anthony here. Right now, I am at Domo Chemicals, and with me is Mr. Soumya Mishra. He is BU Head India for Domo Chemicals. Mr. Mishra, welcome to modernplastics.tv.
Yeah.
Can you tell about your company, how long your company has been operating in India, and what kind of products you serve the Indian market, sir?
Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Anthony. We started our operation in India in 2016, but it was an R&D site in India. And 2019, we got a new machine, small machine for our R&D activities. Uh, by the time we started some R&D activity, it was like because of COVID, 2 years got lost. And then in the meantime, Domo Chemicals took over Solvay European portion, and that gave us an edge to introduce Technile into Indian market. And that Technile was launched in 2022. Um, and then in 2023, we got a new machine with 6,500 tons capacity. So that way our journey has started from 2022 onwards.
Now, coming to the expansion point, sir, presently, what is your product volume and what kind of demand you see for your products, especially in the engineering sector? Your products mainly is into nylon. What kind of demand you see for the Indian market, and which all applications does your product suit to, sir?
Okay. So as you know, that Technile brand is predominantly for nylon double six and nylon six. Majority of the applications goes into automotive parts, cylinder head cover, air intake manifolds, and now battery packs are there. It also goes into MCB, MCCB. Then you have small solar applications. A lot of applications, two-wheeler applications are there. Grab handles, then in the front parts are there. Um, so, in short, would like to say it has a nylon goes into multiple applications in automotive, electrical, electronics, and consumer goods. And in this regard, I would like to say that in India, when we started in 2022, we got a new machine in 2023. Uh, we got full, capacity was full, and 2025 we got another machine of same 6,500 tons, and thanks to the customers, their confidence on us. In this last 2 years, that new machine also got full. We are now full of capacity. So we are trying to introduce another machine, install another machine by 2027 with a bigger capacity. And again, thanks to all the customers who are showing we are having that confidence on us, so that we are building a volume year on year. Yeah.
Now, coming to the last point of this interview, today is the fourth day. Almost the day has already begun, sir. From last 3 days, first day I can understand the crowd was less, but from last 2 days, how is the overall response at your stall, sir?
Yeah, the overall response was very good. We are glad that we participated. We were thinking whether to participate or not in the beginning of the year, but then last year. But then it was good that we participated. We are not able to uh, handle such a good amount of response that we are getting over here. It's not particularly the customers of small categories. Companies like Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Tata Autocomp, Mahale, Maruti Suzuki, Hero Motors. A lot of people are coming. We are grateful that they are coming to our stall, and they have put in a lot of inquiries on us. And this is a good setup that wherein we have people, a lot of people are coming, and we are able to showcase our goods, our products, this lightweight products. Then we are very strong in sustainability. People are very happy with the sustainable part also, and a lot of new technology that you see, depolymerization or mass balance, that also is eye-catching to the customers over here in PlastIndia, and we are very happy that we are participating here.
Mr. Mishra, thank you for your time with modernplastics.tv. This is Anthony George
Thank you.
signing off for modernplastics.tv. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Anthony.
You're
Thank you.
welcome, sir. Pleasure,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.